Hi, alright, this is the example, next example for how to simplify a surd, right, involving fraction, right? So involving fraction, so you have to simplify by using the concept of multiply with the conjugates of the surd, right? So, okay, let's look at these examples. Alright, at first, this is not going to involve in the multiplication of conjugate, right? We're going to do this separately. So, for this, we do it separately for this first. So, let's look at this. So, you have 2 square root of 3, right? Plus with 3 square root of 2 divided by 2 square root of 3 minus with 3 square root of 2. In the previous lesson, I have tell you that if for this division of a surd, we don't want a irrational number in the denominator, which is the surd, right? So I have to get rid of the irrational number by multiply it with the conjugate of this number. So, okay, 2 square root of 3, 3 square root of 2. So you have to multiply with the conjugate of the denominator because you want to get rid of the irrational number in the denominator. So this is the one that you should multiply with the conjugate. So 2 square root of 3 plus with 3 square root of 2. Alright. So during you perform this calculation, it's better to be careful. Alright. So okay, let's do step by step. Okay, for this you have you know that if you have two surd, square root of a minus square root of b multiply with square root of a plus square root of b. So if this case happen, so you can you will get the value of a minus b, right? A minus b. So very simple. You can expand. You can try to expand. You see, square root of a, you have a. Then this will have positive with square root of a and b, right? Square root of a, square root of b is square root of a multiply b minus with square root of b multiply a, which is the same. So minus positive, negative. Square root of b, you have b. So this automatic cancel out because they are the same. So you have a minus b. This is a short form, shortcut. So once you're already very expert, you know that the conjugate, these two, they are conjugate pairs. You just take this, square root of a, you square, you get a, right? So you just take this square, you have 2, 2, 4. The 2 also have to square. So you take the 2 square root of 3, you square, then you have 4 and 3, right? Because 2 square, 4, square root of 3 square, you get 3. So ignore the middle term, right? The middle term. So we know that this will become a and square root of b will become b. Means that you have to take this, the b here, a, b, right? So the b, you have to be power of 2, right? Power of 2. So it become 3 to the power of 2 is 9, right? Minus with 9 and 2, right? 9 multiply 2. So now this is not a conjugate pair. So you have to expand one by one, right? You have to expand the bracket. So you have this, you have 2 and 2, 2, 2, 4. Square up 3, square up 3, you have 3. Alright, the first one. And followed by this and the second term of this expression here. 2 times 3, you have 6, right? 2 times 3, you have 6. Square of 3 and square root of 2. Square root of a multiplied with square root of b. You have square root of ab, ba. So you have square root of 2, 3, 6. Square root of 3, square root of 2, you have square root of 6, right? Square root of 6. Plus with, now go for this. 3, 2, 6, right? 3, 2, 6. Square root of 2, square root of 3, you have square root of 6. So next, the last one will be positive. Positive. 3 times 3, you have 9. Square root of 2, square root of 2. If you have two identical numbers for the surd, then you will get a. Right? You get a. So it means that 3, 3, 9. Square root of 2, square root of 2, you have 2 here. Right? Okay, now I simplify. Divided by 4 times 3 is 12, right? 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 18. 12 minus 18, you have negative 6. So for this you have 12, 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus with 18, 12 plus with 18 will be 30, right? 30. And 6 plus 6 you have 12 square root of 6. Now you can divide or you can factorize 12 and 30. The common factor will be, the highest common factor will be 6. 6, then you have 5 plus with 2 square root of 6, because 6, 5, 30, 6, 2, 12 divided by negative 6. So this one you will cancel out. Then this negative you can put in front here, negative 5 and negative positive, negative 2 square root of 6. You can see from this you can simplify by using multiplication or conjugate, become in the form of a plus b square root of c. Alright, now you have negative 5 minus with 2 square root of 6. For this, plus with 5 plus with 2 square root of 6. Then you can see that negative 5 plus 5 cancel out, become 0. Negative 2 square root of 6 plus 2 square root of 6 also 0. So you will get 0. After you simplify, or you not even know, wow, how come you plus 2 number you will become a 0? Because there is a surd here. We can't see, right? We can't see easily. So okay, you can use with the help of calculator to help you evaluate. So means exam you can know the answer before you start multiply. So 2 square root of 3, 2 square root of 3 plus with 3 square root of 2, right? 3 square root of 2. Then you have 2 square root of 3. Okay, make use of your calculator, your scientific calculator, minus with 3 square root of 2, right? So you can see that 2 square root of 3 plus with 3 square root of 2, 2 square root of 3 minus with 3 square root of 2. Okay, so now you have to plus with 5 plus 2 square root of 6. Okay, 2 square root of 6. So you pressing equal, you get 0, right? You get 0. So you can confirm that your answer is correct. Alright, okay, this is the way you simplify a surd.